Welcome back children. I hope you are doing well. In previous video, we have learned changing and aligning text in MS Word 2010. I hope you all understood the lesson. Now, in this video, we will study about insert picture and check spelling in MS Word 2010. MS Word 2010 is a word processing program. It has more features than Notepad and WordPad. It can be used to write anything, a small paragraph, a letter, a list, or even a long document. You can edit the document and also give a variety of layout to it. Word allows you to decide the page layout, font size and style, paragraph alignment. Besides, MS Word also has the special features to check spelling and grammar and insert picture into a document. You can also preview your document before printing it. Check spelling and grammar in document. Spelling and grammar. Check a document for spelling mistakes and mistakes in grammar. Number 1. Open the document, the tiger. Number 2. Click at the end of the paragraph and type in the following lines. For example, so it can hunted animals easily. Tigers are found in the jungles of Bengal. You can see a green wavy lines under the word hunted. It indicates a mistakes in grammar. There is a red wavy lines under the word tigers. It indicates a spelling mistakes. Now let's check spelling and grammar in the document and correct the mistakes. Remember, Word will begin checking the document from where the cursor is. So, if you want to check the entire document, click at the beginning of the title. Number 3. Click at the beginning of the document before the title, the tiger. Number 4. On the title bar, click on spelling and grammar icon. Or click on the review tab. You will see the following ribbon. In proofing group, click on spelling and grammar icon. As Word starts checking for spelling and grammar, as soon as it comes across a mistakes, that sentence will be highlighted and you will see the spelling and grammar dialog box. In the spelling and grammar dialog box, the upper text box shows the mistakes: hunted, wrong verb form, grammatical mistake, while the lower text box shows the suggestions to correct the mistake: hunt, correct verb form. Remember, in the spelling and grammar dialog box, when there is a grammatical mistake, number 1, if you agree with the suggestions and want to correct the mistake in the current sentence, click on the change button. Word will correct the mistake. Number 2, if you do not understand what the mistake or suggestion is, click on the explain button. Word will explain the rules of grammar. Number 3, if you want to continue the spelling and grammar check without making any correction in the current sentence, click on next sentence. Number 4. If you do not want to correct the mistake in the current sentence, click on ignore once. Word will ignore the mistake in the current sentence but show it if it appears again in the document. Number 5. If you do not want to correct the mistake in the entire document, click on ignore rule. Word will ignore the mistake in the entire document. Number 5. Since we agree with the suggestions, click on the change button. The word hunted change to hunt and the dialog box shows the next mistake in the document. In the spelling and grammar dialog box, the upper text box shows the mistakes, Tigris spelling mistakes, while the lower text box shows many suggestions, out of which tigers is the default suggestions highlighted. Remember, in the spelling and grammar dialog box, when there is a spelling mistake, number 1, if you want to correct the spelling in the current sentence, click on the change button. Number 2, if you want to correct the spelling where it appears in the entire document, click on change all. Number 3, if you want Word to automatically correct spelling mistakes as you type, click on autocorrect. Number 4, if you do not want to correct the spelling in the current sentence, click on ignore once. Word will ignore the spelling in the current sentence but show it if it appears again in the document. Number 5. If you do not want to correct the spelling in the entire document, click on ignore all. Word will ignore the spelling in the entire document. Number 6. If you want to add a word in the word dictionary, click on add to dictionary. In this way, Word will never show that particular word as a spelling mistake. Number 6. Since we agree with the default section, click on the change button. The word tigri changes to tigers and you will see a small dialog box. Number 7. Click on the OK button. The dialog box closes. Number 8. On the title bar, click on Save to save the changes made to the document. Number 9. On the title bar, click on Close to close the document. Insert or add a picture in document. Clipart is a collection of pictures in Word 2010. It is used to add picture in your document. You will add a picture of a tiger in the document. Clipart insert picture in a document. Number 1, open the document The Tiger. You can see a cursor blinking at the beginning of the title. Click at the end of the title. Press the Enter key twice to leave 2 lines to add a picture of a tiger. Number 3, click on the Insert tab. You will see the following ribbon. Number 4, in Illustrations group, click on Clipart icon. You will see the Clipart pen on the right hand side of the word window. Number 5, we want to insert the picture of a tiger. So, in the search box, text box, type animals and click on the go button. You will see pictures of animals in the box below. Number 6, click on the picture of the tiger. The picture will be inserted where the cursor was. The ribbon also changes to show the format tab with some tools to format picture. Number 7, on the clip art pen, click on close button to close the pen. On the format tab, you can see the picture styles group. Here remember, when you insert picture in a document, you will see seizing handles around it. These seizing handles are used to change the size of the picture. Picture in the mouse pointer over a seizing handle, the pointer changes to look like double-handed arrow and drag inwards or outwards to change the size of the picture. Number 8, click on to see a drop-down menu of different picture styles. Point to a picture style to see how the picture in the document changes. Number 9, click on a style. For example, click on compound frame black style. See how the picture now appears. Number 10, click anywhere in the text area to remove the seizing handles. The format tab also appears from the ribbon. Number 11, on the title bar, click on save button to save the changes made to the document. Number 12, on the title bar, click on close button to close the document. With this, we end with this chapter. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, thank you. Stay safe. Bye-bye.